What's up? Been a while. About a week since my last video. I'll do a little catch up. So, it finally happened. You know, all this shit talking about how bad Amazon is, and one of their trailers got me last week. Ripped the mirror right off the side of my truck. Caused about almost $1,000 worth of damage. So I was down for a couple days getting that fixed. After I got that fixed, I did took a load from New Jersey over to Ohio. Ohio. Then now I'm heading down to Florida, down towards Miami for the weekend. So I'm going to the beach. Trucking's getting a little hard, but still keeping in it. Oh. So right now I'm kind of I'm in Virginia, just random mountains of the West Virginia mountains. Worked this truck a little bit, so taking a break, let her cool down. I'm gonna take a shower real quick, then we're gonna be on our way, trying to make it to Florida by tomorrow. I was hoping to see a friend of mine, maybe get a free meal out of him, but he's not going to be there. He's going to be somewhere else, so that kind of sucks. Yeah, if you're watching this, I was looking for free food. No, seriously. Just realized I haven't seen a lot of my friends out there. I haven't seen them in a long time. Been too busy working, too busy running all over the place. I've been keeping track. Been keeping track of the FMCSA and everything Sean Duffy keeps promising us, truck drivers. According to the FMCSA, things are happening, but I'm just not seeing it personally, not yet. But right now, Sean is talking about tackling all the freight fraud going on in the industry. Broker transparency, he's pushing for that. I think that's a good thing, because it's like brokers are important in this industry. They're a necessary evil. Pretty much they connect shippers and carriers, or they connect the shippers and receivers to us carriers or truck drivers, and they're supposed to act like a fiduciary or a middleman, where they would collect the money from shippers and carriers, and they would hold it, and then they would pay us as soon as we got the load delivered. But there's no transparency. There's supposed to be transparency between them and us, but there's just not. So seems like there's a lot of shady crap going on. But not just them. You got a bunch of funny trucking companies out there. They're making the industry look bad. So I'm trying to be optimistic. Hopefully, Transportation Secretary is going to clean this up. I mean, it'd be nice. Let's see. Next week. No, this week. We got ride-alongs going on in Wyoming. Yeah, that's right. State troopers are riding with truck drivers, looking for distracted drivers on the highways. I wonder how that's turning out. But yeah, I mean, just curious on how things are going. But other than that, not much going on. Just working, and trying to make that money.